Today, we've got something that's going to make your student life a whole lot easier. We're talking about the top 3 tips to help you stay focused during class. Whether you're in school or taking online courses, these strategies will make sure you're tuned in and ready to ace that next test. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Set the stage for success. Before your class starts, make sure your study environment is clean and distraction-free. Clear away clutter, put your phone on silent or in another room, and ensure your desk is well organized. Having a dedicated, tidy workspace will help you concentrate better and keep your mind from wandering. Tip number 2. Active engagement is key. It's not just about physically being present in class, you need to actively engage with the material. One effective method is taking notes. Don't just transcribe everything. Try to summarize key points, ask questions, and make connections with what you're learning. When you actively participate, your brain is more focused on the subject matter, and you're more likely to retain the information. Tip number 3. Manage your time wisely. Time management is a crucial skill for staying focused during class. Use tools like planners or apps to schedule your study time and break up your day into focused blocks. Short, frequent breaks can help maintain your concentration. Also, consider the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It's a game changer. So there you have it, our top 3 tips to stay focused during class. Remember, setting up the right environment, engaging actively with the material, and managing your time effectively can make all the difference. Now, it's over to you. Share your favorite study tips in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.